directions. Alright, now go. Press the foot on the pedal on the right side. About a quarter of an inch down. And go that way. Or not.
I'll kill you. Put it in your wallet. Put it in your wallet.
Drive. That's more
Put it
important.
in your wallet.
What's more important? This going in my wallet or us getting to Six Flags?
That's going in your wallet.
This doesn't get us to Six Flags.
Yes, it does. It gets us into Six Flags, so put it in your wallet.
How does it get us into Six
Put
Flags?
it in your wallet!
No. Drive. It's not going in my wallet. I'm taking it out. Can I have a wallet?
No.
It's my wallet.
Where do I
That's
go?
all. I don't know. I need my wallet. Now you're going to get us in an accident. You can't focus on the road. You can focus.
Where do I go?
I need my wallet.
God, I want to kill you.
Give me my wallet real quick and I'll tell you. No, you don't go this way.
Okay.